Hello dog lovers and YouTube dwellers, welcome to my video. It's been a while since I've made a video, and this video is about the differences between, in my opinion anyway, between a watchdog and a guard dog. So you know, I've noticed, I've seen so much, so many videos and whatnot on the net, and a lot of people seem to think that many of them don't know what a watchdog is. They associate everything, even a dog which is alert and barking, to a guard dog. You know, so basically, they just know that all dogs are guard dogs, sort of. You know, so this dog does guarding well, that dog's guarding well. What do you mean by guarding? You know, there's such a huge misconception. So I just thought I should clear out this and give you my opinion. So basically, you know, for dogs that are out and used and want to be used for, you know, for alerting their owners and whatnot. So there are two types. So basically, you have guard dogs and you have watchdogs. Although it might not be completely accurate, but you could probably say that all guard dogs are watchdogs, but not all watchdogs are guard dogs. So what I mean by that is, a watchdog is a dog which is alert and is always looking out for intruders, you know, and alerts its neighbors whenever there is an intruder, or where it thinks that there is a breach in its territory. It alerts its owners, or it will alert its master, and it will do that by barking, you know, like heavy barking sometimes incessantly at a stranger, or at what it perceives to be is a beast, some kind of an animal that has entered its territory, or some kind of a threat, what it perceives to be a threat. So this would be the first line of reaction of a watchdog. So it barks a lot, incessantly, at its at the intruder, and alerts its master. However, if the intruder decides to pursue and enters the territory, then the dog will not engage. A watchdog does not engage. A watchdog will bark, hold its ground till the intruder walks in. But once the intruder walks in, But once the intruder does walk in, then it would back away. It backs away and it moves away from that area. And it continues to do so, but it will continue to bark till, of course, its owner or master would come and handle that situation. Now, a guard dog, on the other hand, is different. A guard dog will, of course, alert its master the moment it feels there is a threat or an intruder, and it would hold its ground, but it will approach the threat. You know, it will go toward the threat, it will approach the threat, it will hold its ground, it will bark. But if the intruder tries to enter its territory, you know, then the dog will not hesitate to engage and neutralize that threat, whatever that threat is, whether it's a threat from a thief, a person, a human being, or it's a threat from a beast, you know, like a stray dog or some kind of an animal that has entered its territory, you know. So fundamentally this is the difference. So a watchdog will not engage, but a guard dog will do everything that a watchdog does, but it differs from two things. It will not back away, rather it will approach the threat and it will engage, you know. And how good a guard dog is, that depends, you know, how far will it go to engage. Will it fight till its death, or it would sort of at certain point back away, and how intelligent is it, wherein it identifies how far it has to engage and whatnot. So all these other things come on later, and these define how good a guard dog is. But fundamentally, a guard dog will engage and try to neutralize the threat if its master is not there on in time. So this is the fundamental difference. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because a lot of people use these terms interchangeably, and many breeds, and guarding is attributed to several breeds that are actually watchdogs and not really guard dogs. And so if a dog that is chained starts barking at an intruder, they say, look at the guarding. That's not guarding. That does not define what a guard dog is. A guard dog is a dog that will work very hard in neutralizing in neutralizing whatever threat it is that it perceives, you know. So Prince barking here does not mean that does not make him a guard dog because he looks at a stranger, they're walking, and he barks. What will define him as a guard dog is, will he engage if that stranger walks into the house? You know what I mean? So this is something that's very important. This distinction is very important, and which many people often don't make. So this is something I just wanted to clarify, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please like, share, and subscribe, and please do comment as well. Right? Ciao.